Hey, it's Ariana. Sup? Sup, sup, sup. Okay, so I'm like extremely bored. So, someone dared me to sing, okay? I like singing. I love to sing. I don't know how to though, okay? But, look, what I can do, I don't think I have a bad voice, but my voice is not like, oh my god, like, oh, you know? I can blend it in, like, when other people sing with me, I can make it seem like, oh my god, she has a beautiful voice. But if I sing solo, I sound like Chewbacca. So I'm not gonna do that. So I found some girl. She did a cover by Coldplay, and I'm trying to do my best to do this. Okay? I can't believe I'm gonna sing for you guys because I don't sing for no one. I sing with my friend Hadley, and you know her voice sounds good. It's because she has a good voice, so I can blend it in with her good voice. But yeah, so what? Who's outside? I'm going crazy. Okay. Her name is Jamie, I think. Or Vicky. There we go. She's Asian. Has a very nice voice. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to sing louder, so whatever. Well, I'm gonna try to blend it in. Okay. I don't want you guys to see my face though when I'm singing. So let me go like this, and you guys can see half of my face. No? Okay. There we go.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. And it was called Yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And do you know I love you so. You know I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry.
Am I doing good? Yeah, I think. Ho ho. Yeah.
It's true. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for. It's true. Look how they shine for you.